Afternoon, everybody. We'll probably have to make this a little quick because we're not quite sure what's going to happen on the floor here. They may move things pretty quick. Needless to say, Susan and I walked into Senator Reed's office yesterday, offered him a proposal, and told him we had the votes to do it. We can expand for another 3 months unemployment insurance for those who need it the most. A lot of people in my state, across this country, that really need the help, this $300 a month. And there's a group of us here, as you can see, that is concerned about this as anybody on the other side. So we walked in, Susan and I walked into Senator Reed's office and said, we have the votes for this proposal. And as most of you know, it was a 3-month proposal, and it was paid for. And we also helped with the reverse the COLA decreases that came in the original Budget Act before we went out on recess. We thought it was a common sense proposal, something that was paid for. There were no gimmicks involved in it, and actually Senator Reed seemed pretty receptive on that. But it appears at his lunch today that that's just not the case, and frankly, that's unfortunate. That's unfortunate. We're back to ground zero. I think we're going to have a couple of maneuvers here on the floor, but we just wanted to make sure, and I want to bring Susan up here next, but we just wanted to make sure that you were aware, that the people here in Washington, D.C. and back home were aware that there's a group of us that really believe in the importance of making sure that the most needy have the unemployment insurance that they need, that if they've lost their jobs, doesn't necessarily mean that they would lose their homes. So, Susan, why don't you come up, give us a little bit broader explanation, but I just wanted to start it off that way.